So we also have this beautiful Lamborghini Urus right next to me.
Yeah, I hope you're ready for the comeback. Steve Nash, I'm about to bring the sun back. Forecast looking bright for the comeback. Can't ignore it, promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback. Yeah.
This is vinyl wrapped in an acid green. We are just doing a little bit of repair on the driver's side. The driver's side quarter panel did get messed up, so we're gonna be redoing that. We've already disassembled part of it, what we need to, and we got the knifeless tape all laid. So let's go ahead and start wrapping.
Boy, I ain't the type to play with. Anybody asking for a feature, tell them famous. Shawty, we not hunting them, so tryna be persuasive. I know all my haters on a first name basis. I'm the type to steal the flows from. They the type to want my income. I think that I've had enough of jealousy and entertaining. No, I'm never giving up. I'ma start this in the making. No, I'm never giving up. I'ma start this in the making. I'm a pop star, baby. Yeah, I make it hit today.
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rockin' all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. In my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna.